Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Kia Optima door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is turned off and the windows are fully lowered for safety. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth on the sill to protect your interior from any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free removal. Next, we'll locate and remove the hidden fasteners. Start by carefully prying off the small plastic cover directly behind the interior door handle. This will expose a single screw. Then, use your trim tool to gently lift the entire window switch panel. Underneath, you'll find more screws that need to be removed. Don't forget to check the armrest or door pull pocket for any additional screws. With all screws removed, it's time to release the door panel clips. Insert your trim removal tool into the gap along the bottom edge of the door panel and gently pry outwards. Work your way around the entire perimeter, releasing all the clips. Once the clips are free, carefully pull the panel slightly away from the door. You'll then need to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for the window switch or door light. Finally, you'll need to disconnect the remaining cables. Reach behind the panel and unclip the door handle cable from its housing. Also, detach the door lock rod, which is usually a small plastic clip. Once these are free, you can carefully lift the entire door panel upwards and away from the door frame. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all clips and screws are properly aligned and secured.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.